Hey everybody, I'm Michelle from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are at Coachmen in Middlebury, Indiana, showing you the Coachmen Remote 18R. Check out, this is a brand new line for them, this remote line. And I love the look of it. I love the shape of these windows. I love this little front porch light. I think that's really pretty. Leave a comment below. I want to know from you. Are you in the camp that you love the oval shaped windows? Are you like, oh, I don't like those windows? So on the outside of the RV, a couple of big features. Number one, a place to store your bikes. You can easily store a couple of bikes here in the front. You have a place for batteries, of course, and two 20-pound LP tanks. You got a nice pass-through, goes a really nice space. I can't open it right now, but you got nice pass-through space. And then on the back of the rig, you got a place to put a griddle, and it comes with the griddle. So this is already set up for you. It's got a lodge top, really nice griddle. So in the back of the rig, you've got your spare tire. It's prepped for a backup camera, so you can get that taken care of. And look at this really nice window in the back. You got a window in the front and the back, so you've got views on all sides. With this tiny rig, you can see everywhere. Not only is it prepped for your backup camera, but it's also prepped for a ladder, so you can add a ladder and go up and see what's on your roof. Guess what's up there? A solar panel. This is really cool. There's two options here. There's one that comes with a regular battery and one solar panel. The other option is a super solar option where it comes with more solar panels and lithium batteries to really get you off grid and out in nature. Let's go inside and see what we got. Before we go inside, look at these tires. You've got great knobby tires to get you off-road. Solid stairs. As we come into the coach, first of all, there's a good place to sit down. You can lay this down and unfold the mattress and make it into a queen size bed area. We've got a regular outlet over here and a USB. We've got these cargo nets here, and we got cargo nets here. We've got a deep closet. So there's plenty of storage space up here for all of your clothing or your adventure gear. I can easily see my backpacks going underneath here, and my hiking shoes and all of that good stuff. Window on both sides so you can get a cross breeze. Plus on the camp side, not only do we have the door, but we have, as we move into the kitchen, we have a really nice window over the kitchen area. As we switch gears here and we go into the kitchen area, first I want you to notice this Bluetooth speaker. So this Bluetooth speaker, you can take anywhere. You can take it out hiking with you if you want to carry it, though I don't know any hiker wants to carry this much weight. Take it out on the boat with you, take it over to your neighbor's campsite. There's also USB chargers here, and this is 12 volts, so you can charge your phones. Set your phone right on top of here and let your phone charge. You've got your awning light and your awning are both right here. You've got an outlet here, switch for the lights, nice little cargo net right here. As we move into the kitchen, we've got 12 volt fridge, nice freezer space and fridge space. I think this is a really good size fridge, especially being a bunkhouse. You need a bigger fridge freezer to feed all those people. If you've been out hiking, you know how hungry they are. So in the kitchen, we have two drawers and a cabinet. In this drawer, I find what's coming standard, which is the tire monitoring system. I love this. This will save you. So this is coming standard on the remote. So we got two drawers, cabinet. We got a tall cabinet here. This goes through. We've got a small round bowl sink. We've got, how many burners? We got two burners. I love that it's flat. So we've got all this counter. This is a really nice counter space. Plus up here is another flat surface, which is always good to have. We've got a microwave. This is the heating down here. Of course, you got your cabinets up above. Over here is the bathroom. Let's check it out. Bathroom is pretty basic. It's not a wet bath. We do have a separate toilet versus shower, but there isn't a separate sink. Not that I feel like you need one because the sink is right there. But there also is not a cabinet space area. So if I were in here, I've got a couple of hooks. I'd probably want to, maybe with some command strips, command a couple of little baskets up here for extra stuff. We do have a little countertop space down here, place for your toilet paper. But doing the toilet test, I definitely feel like I have enough room. The shower has a shower curtain. I'd probably add a shower liner as well. But I'm 5'6" and I've got plenty of room, which I think would make for, it makes for a nice size shower. I would definitely want to add like a shower liner or something right here. Doing everything we can to keep the water in, but a good sized bathroom. And then as we go to the back of the coach, we've got 2 bunk beds. I can't sit up. In the back of the rig, we've got 2 bunk beds. If you've got animals with you, this would be a great place to put a kennel, let the dogs just sleep back here. A great place for more storage. I could see our inflatable paddle boards going up here. So whether you have kids or you just need more storage space, it's a great place to put it. Hope you enjoyed this tour of this Coachmen Remote 18R. If you like this new line, let us know. Let us know what you want to know more about or what you would like to see different. I'll link up here the rest of our remote series. As a matter of fact, I'll link up here all of our Coachmen RV videos that we have, but you can see the variety of Coachmen, Apex, and remotes that you can get out to take you out on your next adventure.